Homeowners insurance typically doesn't cover replacing windows. It usually only covers repairs. And it's just like car insurance. It's that it only gives you that what you have. So like I always use as an example, if you have a Ford Escort and you wreck that and it's totaled, they won't buy you a Ferrari or a Land Rover. They're going to give you the money for a 1989 Ford Escort. Well, it's the same thing with windows. If you have old builder's grade windows and it gets damaged by a storm, they're not going to give you the money to replace it with a superior product. They're going to give the money equal to what that window's worth, which is not very much relative to higher end windows. Plus they'll depreciate it. Plus then in addition to that, most people's deductibles are at least $1,000 on homes. And so to repair a window isn't usually $1,000. And so it's, very honestly, homeowners insurance isn't very helpful with windows.